Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. As we are on the chapter Moon Wind, and we have completed exercise A part 1, 2 and 3, and today we are going to do exercise B part 1 and 2. So first of all, open your books and your registers and come to page number 27, exercise B, working with the words. Similes. Do you know what are similes? A simile is a comparison. We use simile to make what we say more vivid or our meaning clearer. A simile is a comparison between two things using as or like. Here is an example of it. Here are two things that can be compared. In the first picture, there is a picture of a girl, and in the second, there is a picture of a sun. A girl, she has blue eyes, blonde, bright smile. And what about sun? The sun is round, yellow, bright. Let's compare both girl and a sun. Use the matching adjective bright and as like to write the simile. Her smile is as bright as the sun. Her smile is bright like the sun. So we can use as or like in our simile. What are simile? Simile means to compare two things using as or like. First of all, open page number 27. Here you can see the examples and definition of similes, and I hope you have read these similes in your previous classes as well. Let's come to the exercises now. Okay, the first exercise is, here are some similes that you are familiar with. Can you complete them? Here are some similes given to you, and these are too easy and you have to complete it. Okay, the first one is as white as snow, as bright as a button, as strong as an ox, as clear as a bell, as soft as a silk, as quick as a flash, as sound as a bell, as sharp as a knife, as smooth as silk, as dark as night, as poor as dirt, as straight as an arrow. Similes may also be introduced with like. Here are some similes that can be introduced with like. His voice was like silver bells. His hair was like sheep's wool. Exercise B, Part 2. In the poem you have just read, there are number of similes. Now answer these questions. Here are some questions given to you that are related to your poem, and you have to answer these questions. So the first one is, make a list of the similes in the poem. Like a swan at sea, like a somersaulting giraffe. Question number B. In what way are the similes unusual? Do they make the meaning clearer? Answer B. The similes are unusual in that a swan at sea would not be used to their waves and would flounder. It is difficult to imagine a giraffe with such long legs doing a somersault. But when compared to a Ferris wheel flying, it becomes imaginable. Question number C. Have the pictures the poet is trying to present been made more vivid by the use of similes? Answer C is, these pictures are more vivid with these similes. They are not staid and overworked similes. They are new and conjure up weird images, so they may well be remembered. Okay students, you have to do all this work in your registers. Make sure to do proper work and write down date and day and mention exercises as well. If you still have any confusion, you can ask in the group.